Hey guys, you know what I am going to tell you today? Free hosting plans. You know the most awesome topic, how you can get free hosting plan for your website or your blog. So actually, you must know about this. That hosting plans are really very expensive. We are starting a blog or website for any business, then it is very confusing to start or not because there are so many expenses like buying hosting plan, buying domain, so many things. So it becomes some impossible type if you are not sure that it will work. So now that's why I made this video to tell you how you can get free hosting plan or free domain for your business or blog. So you don't need to be confused and you can just start whatever you want. So let's watch full video. So I am going to tell you some websites. So let's start with the first website. So the first website I'm going to show you is free hosting, free web hosting. So this site is really totally free. uh, you're watching here. Actually you have to type in search box free hosting, then you can find the domain freehosting.com. So you can find here hosting totally free, you don't have to pay any single pie. You're watching here free web hosting, paid web hosting, domain registration, create a website in minutes. So here you can also create website. You can buy here free web hosting. If you want to pay, then you can take paid hosting, or you can also register your domain. So I'm going to show you free web hosting because I'm just telling you only one topic, that is free web hosting. So let's watch it. So first you will have to sign up here. uh, so just you can here type here the domain whatever you want, and you can check here. uh, because in free web hosting you will also get free domain. So this is the hosting plan, guys. So simply you can sign up here. I don't want to do sign up here because I don't need free hosting. So I'm just telling you about the website. The further process is very simple. You just have to sign up and you can watch the hosting plans available here and just buy it. So next website I am going to show you is Blogger. So this is the most famous platform Blogger. You must know about it. uh, Hosting is totally free here. You can start your blog here. Mostly this site is famous only for blog, but many people don't know about it, that they can also start their business website here, and hosting is totally free. And but they will have to do some HTML setting, like making the website like professional business type. So if you know about it, then you can do it. If you don't know, then you can take learning knowledge from the Google, then you can do it. I already tried it, so that's why I'm suggesting you. This is blogger.com. Next you have to search here for biz.ly. Guys, I did not open the blogger because you can find you can open it and you can do whatever you want easily. So I do not think that I need to show you. So now I'm showing you this site. This is biz.ly, and watching you're watching here the free hosting plan. Here 50 MB free web space means you don't have to pay anything. watching you here. 50 MB of free web space, free domain name address, free subdomain hosting, 3 free email addresses. Means many things are available here, and you don't have to pay anything. So it's a awesome deal, guys. Must grab it. So next site is biz.nf. So this is my fourth site I am showing you. You are watching here the free web hosting plan. So watch here full features: 1000 MB of web space, 5000 MB of data transfer, 1 POP3, SMTP, webmail, FTP access, file manager. So you can watch here, and you will get free domain, which will be like with the extension .c1.page. Free web hosting, no ads, and many things are here. So I'm now going to show you the next and last plan, which is uh, 000 web hosting. So 000 web host, this site is also free. So this is the last site, guys. I am telling you, you can choose whatever you want in these 5 websites. You don't have to spend any money. If you are a student or you have no money, then you can start working here without investment, and you can earn in lakhs from here. So you're watching here the free web hosting plan. So let's click on get started, and you are watching here premium shared hosting, 95 rupees month. If you want free, then you should click here, and next here is paid, because it is premium shared hosting. So you're watching here free web hosting. Its features: one website, 300 MB disk space, limited bandwidth, no email account, 24-hour support. So guys, it's enough for free. So you can also try it. So whatever you want, whatever you prefer, whatever you liked, you can just go for it. So guys, I hope you liked, I hope you learned. So I will meet in the next video. Then bye bye.